Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we break through the hype and uncover the truth behind trending online products. Today, we're reviewing a product that's been making the rounds online, Duremax Male Performance Gummies. Are these really the game changer they claim to be? Or just another scam in a flashy bottle? Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never fall for a fake product again. So what exactly are Duremax Male Performance Gummies? According to the ads, they're natural supplements designed to boost male performance, increase stamina, and enhance bedroom confidence. Marketed as having natural ingredients like Tongkat Ali, maca root, and Tribulus terrestris. Sounds promising on the surface. But let's dig deeper. Red flags and concerns. Try looking up the company behind Duremax. You'll find vague or no information about who actually makes it. No address, no phone number. That's a huge red flag. Some ads claim celebrity endorsements, like doctors or athletes backing the product. But guess what? Most of those are completely fake. The photos are often stolen stock images. They promise instant results, permanent size increase, and no side effects. These are classic scam buzzwords. No supplement can deliver all of that overnight, not even prescription meds. Many users report that after a free trial or one-time purchase, they were charged monthly without consent. That's called a hidden subscription scam, and it's more common than you think. These gummies are not FDA approved or evaluated, and that means no real testing or safety guarantee. You're trusting your health to a mystery formula. So, is Duremax worth it? In our opinion, absolutely not. It's filled with shady marketing, questionable claims, and serious red flags. If you're looking for real solutions for performance issues, talk to a licensed doctor, not a flashy website with zero transparency. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Have you tried Duremax gummies or know someone who has? Drop your experience in the comments. It might save someone from getting scammed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you always stay one step ahead of online fraudsters. This is Online Scam Advisor, where we do the digging so you don't have to. Stay smart, stay safe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.